Hi guys, today we have a 2011 Honda Pilot. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light in this vehicle. Okay, first of all, we want to go ahead and put the key on the on position. So we're going to turn the key just once. You can actually also start the vehicle if you want, but I'm just going to have it on the on position without starting it. So here we have the light that says service is due. Now if you don't see that light, you can just go ahead and press this button here and you can scroll through it, keep pressing it until you get to it right there. So we want it on this screen so we can reset it. So now we have this on the screen. Let's go ahead and hold this button down. Just hold it. Just give it a couple seconds. The light's going to start flashing. Once it starts flashing, go ahead and let go of the button. Okay, so let go. Now we're going to go ahead and hold it one more time. It starts flashing again. Let go. And then we're going to hold it again one more time. And just wait a second and you'll get 100% oil life. There we go, just like that. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I was able to help you out with this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.